Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about MECO Digital Clamp meter with temperature and frequency. Here is the carrying case in the black color. On top we get user manual. Here is the K-type thermocouple. Here is the one pair of test leads. Here is the one pair of test leads and K-type thermocouple. As well as here is the component. MECO 36 Auto BL clamp meter measures the vector sum of the currents flowing in all the conductors passing through the probes. Only one conductor is normally passed through the probe. In particular, if the clamp is closed around a two-conductor cable carrying power to equipment, the same current flows down one conductor and up the other, then the meter correctly reads a net current of 0. A measurement principle: clamp meters detect the magnetic field emitted by current flowing in a wire in order to measure the current value. Unlike instruments like multimeters, this design has the advantage of being able to measure current without requiring that the circuit under measurement be cut. Current flowing through a component in a circuit is measured using an ammeter. The ammeter can be placed anywhere in the circuit. Remember that the current is the same in all parts of a series circuit. Here is the proper explanation of this product. First, we can press Data Hold button. Press Data Hold button to toggle in and out of Data Hold mode. In the Data Hold mode, the hold annunciator is displayed. Select NCV range by pressing Select button. NCV position for line frequency measurement. This button shows Celsius and Fahrenheit in the digital screen. Here we are plugging K-type thermocouple to ensure the degrees. We clearly seen that our rotary switch is on the Celsius and Fahrenheit, and on the left-hand side we have heat gun to increase the temperature. Shows in Fahrenheit. Shows in Celsius. Press Hold button to hold the degree. Current flowing through a component in a circuit is measured using an ammeter. The ammeter can be placed anywhere in the circuit. Remember that the current is the same in all parts of a series circuit. Now it's time to plug in test leads. Connect the test leads across the source or load under measurement. Sensitivity 2V. Frequency range 40 Hz to 500 Hz. Set the rotary switch at 4th position. If the resistance being measured is connected to a circuit, turn off power to the circuit being tested and discharge all the capacitors. Connect test lead across the resistance being measured. Read resistance value on digital display. Set the rotary switch to 5th position. It is nothing but it is clamp meter but act as an ampere meter. Set the rotary switch to 6th position. It show the voltage of alternative current and direct current by pressing select button. Set the rotary switch to 7th position. It shows 6/60 ampere to measure the ampere by the clamp. Set the rotary switch to 8th position. It shows 600 ampere up to measure the amperes by the clamp. Technical specification. Model 36 Auto BL. Size H into W into D 190 by 71 by 30 mm approximate. Weight 180 grams including battery approximate. AC current 60 ampere/600 ampere. Accuracy plus or minus 2.5% RDG plus 8 DGT on 60 ampere plus or minus 2.5% RDG plus 5 DGT on 600 ampere. Overload 600 ampere AC max for 1 minute. Safety standard Cat 2 600 voltage. Jaw opening cable diameter 25 mm maximum. Battery life 200 hours typical. Power 2 1.5 voltage AAA battery. Accessories: 1 pair of test leads, instruction manual, carrying case, battery, installed, K-type thermocouple up to 260 degrees Celsius.